Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to build an app using AI. First of all, open an AI development platform such as ChatGPT, Corsair, Bolt or Lovable. Open the website and now describe the application you want to create in as much detail as possible. For example, you can request a task manager app, budgeting app, inventory system, or student management system. The AI can generate code, layouts, database structure, and features based on your prompt. Reviewing the generated project and continue refining it through follow up prompts. You can then test and deploy the application once you're satisfied with the results. And that's it. That's how to build an app with AI. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.